Okay guys, let's look at this question. So given the function ln cos 2y plus y e3x minus 5x squared equals to 4. So find dy dx using implicit differentiation and find the equation of the tangent line to the function at the point 0 pi over 2. Okay, so let's start with here. We have this one is A, this one is B, C and D. Alright. So your A is ln cos 2y, alright, then your A prime will be, so for this one, firstly you need to differentiate for ln, okay, number one, differentiate for ln, it is 1 over cos of 2y, okay, next, you will differentiate the second one, the inner function is cos 2y. So you need to differentiate for cos, which means you will multiply with differentiate cos, you will get it is negative sine of 2y. Okay, next, continue. Next is differentiate inside your cos here. Okay, so this one number 3. Differentiate to y, you will get times 2. Okay, so the answer will be A prime is negative sine 2y, negative 2 sine 2y over cos 2y. So you have sine over cos is tangent, then you can write as negative 2 tangent y. Okay, so for B, okay, B we have y e3x. Okay, look at here, we have two variables in two different places. Okay, so meaning you need to use product rule. Okay, so for product rule, your u is y, your u prime is dy dx, your v is e3x. Differentiate your v, differential exponent you will rewrite, and then times with the differentiation in your power. Okay, here, so differentiate 3x, you will get 3. Okay, the answer will be 3e3x. Okay, now your b prime will be, b prime is, so u prime v plus uv prime. Okay, and you will get it is e3x dy dx plus with 3y e3x. So I just simplify it. Okay, alright, so now we have C. Okay, what is your C? Your C is negative 5x squared, then your C prime is negative 10x, while your D is 4, and you differentiate your number, it will be 0. Okay, so now your implicit differentiation will be A prime plus B prime plus C prime plus D equals to D prime. Okay, alright. Okay, now what will be the answer? Okay. So your A prime is negative 2 tangent y. Okay, your B prime will be plus e3x dy dx plus 3y e3x. Okay, and then your C prime is, so plus minus will be minus 10x equals to 0. Okay, next. Next, collect your dy dx at one side. So this is your dy dx. Put your dy dx in your left hand side, and the rest will be on your right hand side. Okay, so now we will have e3x dy dx equals to, so 10x minus 3y e3x plus 2 tangent y. Okay, so now you can write your dy dx as the subject, so it will be 10x minus 3y e3x plus 2 tangent y divided by e3x. This is your dy dx. Okay, sorry guys, this is actually negative 2 tangent 2y here. Okay, so this one is 2y and this is also 2y. Okay, next we want to find the equation of the tangent line to the function at the point 0 pi over 2. So we have here, firstly you need to find your gradient. So the gradient will be 10 times your 0 minus 3 times pi over 2 e0 plus 2 tangent of 2 times your y is pi over 2. Okay, divide by your e0. Okay, next, so when you calculate, this one will be 0. Okay, and this one will be negative 3 over 2 pi. Okay, remember, okay, e0 equals to 1. Okay, next, and for this one, when you cancel out, you will have 2 tangent pi. So how you want to calculate your tangent pi in the calculator? Okay, so in calculator, please use the mode radian, okay, or rad in your calculator. Okay, so when you calculate your tangent of pi using the mode radian, you will get it will be 0. That means this one will be 0. Okay, so you have negative 3 over 2 pi over 1. Then you will get it is equals to negative 3 over 2 pi. Okay, next we want to find the equation of the tangent line. So y is mx plus c. Okay, your y is pi over 2 equals to your m now is negative 3 over 2 pi and your x is 0 plus c. So what will be your c? C will be pi over 2. So now the equation of the tangent line, it will be y equals to negative 3 over 2 pi plus pi over 2. Oh, don't forget your x here. Okay, so this is your equation of the tangent line.